All right, everybody, so this is going on episode 5. Our goal this episode will be trying to get all the cages done. Kyle's cutting some big holes in the roof of his for his bed bars. And then Dalen is over here rocking the Harbor Freight notcher, working on some little stringer pieces to go between the front and the rear hood. I think we got one in here already. Yep, more. Get you out here to where you can see. We're adding those guys. I already got the harness bar welded in. Dalen's getting me 3 more of those. Kyle's getting some holes added. Already got the holes to tie that into the frame, just like we did on the silver truck. So hopefully before we leave tonight, all the cages are done. We can mark it off the list, and then we'll continue to work down the to-do list. So I think the to-do list grows every time we add something, but battery tie down, change the oil, maybe put lights and a grill in it, door bars, antifreeze, get rid of the antifreeze, add some water. What's doable? ATF. Oh, double check ATF, and then hook up the O2 sensors on this truck. So ready?
Yeah, that's that 45, so we're going tonight.
Good. Holding on. All right, so another update on the cages. We got Kyle's 2 hoops in, got the pads in. We got those bars cut, got them knocked. Got the bed bars in, getting ready to mount the Go Fast seat. Kyle did some precision cutting, got the bed bars in. And then this one's pretty much done minus door bars. Came out pretty good. Got that guy and that guy, and that one and that guy, and then the harness bar. So feels pretty good. So we're gonna get Kyle's seat mounted, get the harnesses in. Really need to get the seat mounted so we can figure out where the harness bar is going to go. I imagine the harness bar will go back here like mine. So that's our next task at hand.
Did you cheat it that way?
I already did.
Yeah, you did.
I already did. I moved it like 1.5 inches.
You look like a true race car driver, Kyle.
I feel like one.
Josh, come here.
Where am I going?
Over here.
That side? What am I doing?
Far over so you can be comfortable.
Alright, you're gonna be rubbing your elbow on that bar the whole time.
Give me something. 'Cause I'm just cruising, beating all these guys. I'll have something to live
You ain't beating nobody.
You need to take his ass out and take him go-kart ride.
You got a 150-pound weight advantage.
Okay, so
See, and I thought the
I'm
same
trying-
thing.
Hey, you hear that? Excuses
I thought
already.
the same thing, and I weigh and then I weigh less than him, and he kicked my ass.
You just taking pictures of my bottom?
No.
Weirdo. Alright, so right here, we got this gap. It's about 3/4 of an inch. To an
Yep,
inch.
yep,
I don't know
yep.
if you can see that.
I see it.
But the bowl hole's right there. So I don't have a good way to do that.
Okay.
I'm thinking about coming off of this with a piece of 1-inch
Square.
tube. And I can hit this center bolt that's right here with a through bolt all the way through.
Yeah.
We just have to get a 3/8 bolt that's 1.5 inches long or 2 inches long. Well, I don't think we have one that long. We just have 1 inches. This here could burn in right
We can
there.
just tack that in
We tack that in.
and put some bolts in it.
Well, we're gonna have to. Do we have a piece of that 1 inch?
1 inch square? 1 inch square is on the bench. How's it feel in there? It'll feel the same way when you finish second.
Hey, first and second get 2.4 hours. I don't give a I just hope whoever gets first is good.
So that's almost perfect.
Yeah, it is.
I've got a piece of this that goes from this seam to this.
Yep.
Put a hole where that is. We can take this out. Mark the seat. There, we want that to stop. How you feel about that? And we can weld this bar to this
Yep.
right here.
Yep.
Into this.
Yep.
Weld this down. Seems
Yep.
like it'd be pretty stable. And
Yep.
it's going to be straddling that electrical box over there. I think. Can you reach down around that side of your seat and see where the electrical box is? You'll have an inch between it and the edge of the seat. Plan made.
About that much.
All right, don't move, Kyle. Let me glue that together.
No, don't, because we got to pull that out so we can put the other two pieces on. And get the holes in the one.
Go ahead and get out.
Oh yeah, get out. Just don't
Yeah.
don't
you
glue
marked
that down yet.
You marked it, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Jesus.
It looks good though. Might as well do it all. You got a Ford Ranger with a cage and a set of harnesses and a window net.
We're doing race car shit.
That's funny. How's it feel?
Good.
We got to figure out how to get a door bar in there without banging your elbow on it the whole time.
I think it looked like if we, because aren't you supposed to go off of those sides?
Yeah.
I think I'll be above it then.
Yeah, it needs to follow kind of like your torso and kind of by your hip and knee and stuff.
So it'll be like a,
Yeah, we can kind of do whatever, I think.
fucking hell, let's see how fast I can go.
2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi. 7 seconds.
I think my fire suit's rated for 10, so we're good.